To dye fabric with natural colors, we are going to need, of course, our fabric. There are two types of fabric that you can buy in the market. There are natural fabric or synthetic fabric. Same as natural dye, natural fabrics are from the natural source. So they came from plants or from animals. And synthetic fabrics, they are produced chemically in a lab or in the industry. And they're normally came from petrochemicals. Natural dyes, as I said before, only works with natural fabric. So we're talking fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool. Inside, inside the category of natural fabric, we also have a second division, which is cellulose fabric and protein fabric. Cellulose fabric came from plants and vegetables, and protein fabric came from animals. With cellulose fabric, we have, for example, cotton, linen, and hemp. And in protein fabric, we have wool and silk. In this workshop, we're only going to work with cellulose fabric because protein fabric has a different technique when you are going to dye with natural colors. Once you have the fabric that you're going to use, there is a measurement that is really important that is called the weight of the fabric. This means that we're going to weigh the fabric when it's still dry, all the fabric that we're going to dye. And this measurement is going to give us any other measurements. It's going to give us how much dye stock we need, how much water, how much Mordent, how much tannin. Don't worry right now, I know it's a little confusing, but you're going to understand what I mean later. That is all for this lesson. You can go ahead into the next lesson.